Hello guys, this is my Action Life and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm also doing fine. So today I'm back with another brand new video for you guys. Without any further ado and without any further talking and of course waiting, let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, let me tell you guys this. Let me clarify something. Try to watch this video till the end because I have got some message for you by the end of the video. All right, anyway, so you guys know I am here to give you guys update, and I actually brought you something good, something interesting. Yeah, so get ready. Okay, first of all, do you guys know just few hours ago Louis actually posted something on his Insta story? Yeah, let me show you guys this. Have a look. Wow, look at it. Now, does it remind you guys of something? Because it does. At least to me, it actually reminds me of something. What it is? Let me show you. Allow me. Have a look. Yes. I mean, it's such nice coincidence to have. Hmm. 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 I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm sorry. I should calm myself down. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, as I said, the dots are connecting. We are not doing anything. Both Harry and Louis are the one who is doing all of this, not us, not the whole fandom. They are the one who keeps encouraging us. I wonder why. Anyway, guys, another thing. Let me break your heart a little bit. No worries, I'm here to mend it again. Anyway, Louis actually liked just few hours ago. We actually liked Insta post of Zara. Yeah, just recent one. Let me show you. Have a look. Great, great. But you know what? I actually was wondering about it. I just saw it on the Twitter and I just saw it on the Insta as well, and I like, hmm. Louis liked it. Wow. Anyway, but you know what? Actually, I came across this post on Twitter that said, sorry, that said, Louis actually liked it on the April 1st. You guys know today is April 1st and today's kinda April Fool's Day. And a person actually said Louis actually liked the post just to let us know that the whole thing is nothing but a circus, nothing but a huge prank. I mean, I am laughing since then. Let me show you. Have a look. But why I like this joke so much and why does it make so much sense? Or we are just the evil phantom. This is the only explanation. Oh my. We are not evil at all. I'm sorry. I just meant it in a sarcastic way. I mean, lots of people call us evil anyway. Lots of have loads of problem with Larry shippers. Not to mention that. Hmm. Anyway, let's move on. So guess what? It actually happened 2 or 3 days ago, if I'm not wrong. I just didn't, update you guys about it. I'm sorry. So guess what? A person actually updated the whole fandom that Harry was listening to Zen. Yeah, Zen's music. Cute, isn't it? Let me show you. Have a look. Okay. Right. Wow. Oh. Right. Sweet and cute, isn't it? Or just precious. Guys, another thing I want to mention here is when those five boys, now four, those four boys actually support each other, I feel so good. I just feel so proud of them. I just want each of them to support each other and go each other's concert, attend their shows and everything. That's it. Because in the past few years they have been distant, and I think Liam's passing away has made them more closer, I would say. I don't know if I'm saying something wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong, but it's really satisfactory when I see these boys actually liking each other's post, or showing up to their concert, showing some sort of support. It actually gives me immense joy, you know yeah. I'm glad that all of them are publicly acknowledging each other and everything. I love it. And I just hope that in Lucy's, I actually get these comments a lot. Let me say this might be debatable, but a lot of fans were saying, actually I noticed it too, maybe somehow, that Louis actually kind of went on various concert of others, but no one is there to support Louis. So I want this to change this way. Yeah, yeah. I really hope they attend each other's concert without worrying about anything, without worrying about what people might say, what the fandom gonna say. No worries, guys, the whole fandom is with you. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, so yeah, what's your thoughts on this, guys? Did I say something wrong? If I said something wrong, you guys can correct me, I don't mind. Anyway, as I'm saying this, I actually said at the very beginning of my video that I really have something to say to you guys, and here it is. See, today is April 1st, right? And April Fool's Day, or April's Fool, yeah, April Fool's Day, yeah. A lot of people do lots of sort of pranks and other stuff, but I want to give you guys a positive message. I want to convey you guys my love for you guys. Right. I know a lot of people actually watch my videos, and a lot of people always look forward to watch my videos. Um, I'm so grateful to you guys. I'm so thankful. And a lot of people actually do comment, and a lot of doesn't. I mean, it doesn't matter. I see everything. I know not everyone likes to comment. I understand this. And those who always regularly comment, I know each one of you. I feel like we are some sort of besties. We are besties. But yeah, I really feel like it. And you guys are super positive, super duper positive, super, what should I say? You guys, radiate this much positive, vibe through, the mobile, through the comments. I mean, we haven't still, see each other in person or properly. I don't know your face, you, but still it feels so surreal. You guys are so sweet, so nice, and you guys have the purest soul. Trust me. I'm glad that I actually got you in my journey, throughout my journey. Sometimes, guys, sometimes I feel under the weather. Sometimes I don't want to upload videos. You know how life goes. But when I think about you guys, and of course Larry as well, Larry and Louis, I immediately get up and film the video so that I could talk with you guys. Wow. Yeah, I feel so a strong connection with you guys. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to say. This is April Fool's Day, but I wanted to give you guys some positive message. I wanted to convey my message to you guys. You guys are super awesome. That's it. Yeah. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. That's it. I'll see you guys soon. No worries. Bye.